We are pleased to show you the 2018 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.